The Enterprise Automation System also includes a unit of measure detail view that does some basic conversions and calculations. So you can convert from one unit of measure to another if needed. So for instance, the standard manufacturing unit of measure for this inventory item is an ounce weight, but then you can see the conversion to pounds and the conversion to grams and so on. In this window also includes a conversion tool down in the bottom where it'll do basic calculations to convert from one unit of measure to another. And since this module is available as a pop-up window in the other modules for manufacturing and purchasing, you can use this conversion tool when you need to convert a purchase from one unit of measure to another, or you need to convert in manufacturing. But it is always best in manufacturing for any inventory items to stay with the standard unit of measure to keep inventory levels correct.